Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your channel. So today I have a very short video just to share with you like a small mini shopping haul. I just wanted to share it with you before I put these things away. So I hope everyone is having a nice day today. It is beautiful here. We've got sunshine. I think it's going to be 75 today. So I want to get this video done. And guess what? I want to get outside and enjoy some of this lovely weather. Because winter, we've been locked up in our homes. So when the sun comes out and it's warm, we want to go out and enjoy the birds, the beautiful blue sky, the flowers that are coming up, the trees. Yeah, I like all of those things. So, okay, first thing I want to share with you guys, I bought this. This is a ceramic pineapple. I thought it was so cute, and where I'm going to be placing this is in my kitchen on the ledge of the sink. After I bought it, I said, wow, this was really small. I should have bought the two. There were three. So I bought one and left the two. I really should have taken the two and left the one. But next time when I see something that I think should be a pair, because I think after I got it home, I began to look, and of course where I wanted to put it, I said, you know what, a pair would have been better. But anyway, as they say, it is what it is. So I'm grateful to have one pineapple. So that's one of the items that I've got to share. The next one, this is a pillow, a nice cushion. I bought this, I saw it, and what really attracted me with this was Love Lives Here. And I thought, wow, where would I put this? And I kept looking at it. And I said, you know, this would go nice on my bed. And it matches with the decor in my bedroom. So I said, I'm going to put this on my bed. I have two cushions already that I put up, two pillows. So this can go in front and the two in the back. So I loved it because it said Love Lives Here. So this is what I'm going to do with this. And this came from Burlington, and I paid $10.99. It's a velour fabric. And the next thing I saw these were nice washcloths, and they are by BB. They really make some nice products, BB. So I like this brand because they really come out with nice things that are moderately priced. And then it has such a luxurious feel, the washcloths, and you're getting, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting six washcloths, and I paid $4.99 for the 6 washcloths. So I like the luxurious feeling, and I also like the color as well. That was good. And last but not least, I bought what I'm going to start doing is replacing my old linen that I've had, look like I've had it forever, forever, and forever. And I heard some domestic consultants, if you will, people that work in the home domestic field, and I'm talking about people that work in laboratories to test items. I don't know if you guys know it, but in the home economics field, which is a very vast field, they have people, basically women, that work in these laboratories, and they test and they test and they test. They test the quality of products, they test their durability, and they test how long of a time span can you use a product. And this is really real, and the people that work in this industry really are in the home home economics. Home economics does not mean just cooking. It is a vast, vast field. I knew of a person that graduated in home economics, and she wasn't just someone who could teach you how to cook. She knew the science of anything to do with the home, basically. And you know, she came out with a 4-year degree from Lehman College. I don't know where she is today presently, but that's how I really got to know about the field of home economics. And I really did my own little research to see how women work in laboratories testing products, not just men, you know, testing products, as I said, for its durability, its lifespan, even danger. Also, what's very important is when it comes to fire, how fragile, let's say, your linen is. You know, if there's, for some reason, you have a partner that falls asleep with a cigarette, I hope that never happens to anyone, because that can happen, it does happen, and it will happen. So for you guys that smoke cigarettes, please, before you go to bed, don't go to bed with your cigarettes. Have your smoke in the bathroom or wherever you smoke, because I'm a non-smoker all of my life, and I wouldn't even be able to tolerate anyone that can smoke, that smokes. But anyway, out your cigarettes. So that's enough for my lecture. I didn't come here for that, but that came up in my thoughts when I picked up these linen. So this is queen size because my bed is a queen size bed, and this is 6-piece sheet set. And guess what, guys, they gave me 2 extra pillowcase. So if you've got 4 pillows, which I have 4 pillows on my bed, because basically the other 2 pillows are just basically props for making my bed look pretty when I make it up. So you're going to get 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and you're going to get 4 pillowcases. So they're going to give you a solid, and then they're giving you the plaid. So there you have it. And I paid $16.99 for this sheet set. From where? Burlington. I like Burlington. I shop at other stores, but I like to go in Burlington because they have sometimes a lot of sales, and the The size for the one flat sheet is 90 by 102, and the fitted is 60 by 80, and the 4 pillowcases are 20 by 30. And then the next thing I bought, I think I showed you, did I show you this already? The cushion, the pillow for my bed. I bought this for my bed. I hope I'm not repeating myself, because if I see this in my video, I think I'm going to cut it out. So hopefully I don't see it. I'm not too good of an engineer for splicing and cutting up videos. So on that note, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Please hit the like button, because subscription and the like helps out with the algorithms. It also lets YouTube promote my videos because you like it and you're subscribing. So please do that for me. I love you for that. And on that note, guys, I'm going to see you on the next one. So love you. Take care.